At the heart of this organization is feeding people, and especially those that are hungry and need a little bit of extra help. We know there are children in the community that are hungry. We know there are seniors that are hungry. It's all ages, it's all faces, it's all types. Sometimes is difficult because not everybody wants to put their hand up and say, I need help. We could see that it wasn't just a need, it was a want. You know, people wanted to have food grown in their neighborhood and be able to interact with it and learn more about where food comes from and things like that. We are able to really do two things at once, where we're growing 10 to 12,000 pounds of food every year, but we're also using the farm as a platform for all of this education and community building, all of these other programs that really tie folks together in the neighborhood. So it's great to start out with the food and then build from there on how we can keep making connections, you know, back to the land, to where our food comes from, neighbors connecting to neighbors, intergenerational relationships getting formed. It's really exciting stuff. One of the coolest things that we saw right away was as soon as we tilled up this field, we had a tractor come in, we tilled it all up, we piled all the rocks at one end. And we came in the next day and someone had spelled out "thank you" with the rocks. It was such a cool visual. This is already having an impact and it's just a field of dirt. It feels so good to be able to change lives, you know? It's why we're here. There's so much potential to expand this work. Sprout City Farms got started as an urban agriculture nonprofit, specifically working in public spaces because they're not in danger of getting developed. And it's highly replicable. Every city has a public school district. Every city has a park system. So we can just, you know, take an acre or two here and there to crank out some food production and really bring people together in a way that can only be done in a space like this. We just want to make sure that, no one's going hungry on our watch.